Pating Reviews presents Ninja FG551 Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get the best possible price. Perfectly cooked steaks. I love this thing. I inherited the older version from a relative and thought it was great, but this device does a better job of getting the doneness right of the meat. It just seems to be a nice upgrade from the previous generation. I also find this version to be much easier to clean as well. I also really like the compartment on the side to store the temperature probe. The XL is 50% bigger, good for 2 to 4 people. I'm ready for the XXL. Bring it on. Here's a bit more information about this air fryer. Brand Ninja, color stainless steel finish. Model name FG551 Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1. Frame material stainless steel. Assembly required? Yes. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill with Smart Cook system. The Smart XL Grill that sears, sizzles, and crisps indoor countertop grill and air fryer. Perfectly cooked food on the inside to your desired doneness and char-grill every side with 500 Fahrenheit Cyclonic Grilling Technology and the Smart Cook system. 500 Fahrenheit Cyclonic air and the 500 Fahrenheit grilled grate combine to give you delicious char-grilled marks and flavor. Smart Cook system, 4 smart protein settings, 9 customizable doneness levels, and the Foodi Smart Thermometer enable you to achieve the perfect doneness from rare to well done at the touch of a button. No more guesswork and no more under or over cooking. XL capacity, grill 50% more food than the original Ninja Foodi grill for delicious family-sized meals. Grill grate fits up to 6 steaks, up to 24 hot dogs, mains and sides at the same time, and more. 6-in-1 indoor grill. Grill your favorite foods to char-grilled perfection or go beyond grilling with 5 additional cooking functions. Air crisp, bake, roast, broil, and dehydrate. Air fry crisp with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. Unique smoke control system. The combination of our chef recommended grilled practices, temperature controlled grill grate, splatter shield, and cool air zone reduces smoke, keeping it out of the kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.